my camera keeps turning off on its own. Anyways, right here, there's a pin that holds it gives it a fulcrum. There's a little piece of metal that goes up and down into a hole, and that's the gas. I can't remember what it's called, but it stops the gas from coming in. So when the float goes up, the pin goes into the hole and no gas comes in. It'll shut the motor off. It keeps it from flooding. And so when it's open, there's not a lot of gas in there. It opens and gas goes through it. It's pretty simple.